Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the LG Smart Monitor and I'm going to tell you how you can easily adjust the contrast in this monitor. First we have to click the button which is at the bottom of our monitor, and here we have to go right into the settings. Now we have to click on this gear icon. Let's wait a moment now. And here we have the picture. Let's go right to the picture, and here advanced settings. Click on that. And here we have the brightness. Click on that too. And here we have the adjust contrast. You have to click on it, and now you can adjust your contrast using the button up and down. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.